pictures today.
No problem, I'll check it. Okay, so the CET which I'm going to take today is related with the chapter number 8, carts and wheels. Vishnu, then Vedant, turn on your camera. Vedant every day needs the reminder. I don't know, he don't want to make us see Vedant. Vedant, why? You don't feel good to come in the class? Every day the teacher has to remind you.
Ma'am, he keeps in all class ke mein round. No, what not in max most of the
Okay. So before starting the CET chapter number 8, carts and wheels, your CET is very easy. So before that, I am going to take little revision. I will call the child name. That child only will answer me. As you know, yesterday in the class also we have done revision. Then I have sent the revision worksheet in the Google form. And today before also starting the CET, I am going to take a little bit of revision. Okay, so I will call the child name. That child only will answer me. Kashvi.
we have to write this.
No, this is just the oral revision. Kashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
the radius is dash of the diameter.
Ma'am, the radius is half of the diameter.
What is the spelling of half?
HALF.
Manya, next question. Read this word as the longest.
Okay, ma'am. The longest chord of a circle is called dash diameter.
What is the spelling of diameter?
Diameter.
Next, Vihan Dobaria.
Yes.
C1.
The distance around the circle is called
What is the distance around the circle? Vihan, the distance around the circle.
The distance around the circle is constant.
Called what? I will move to the next child. I don't have this much time to wait for 5 minutes on the one child, my dear.
I see.
Yes, who is saying I say?
Ma'am, ages.
The distance around the circle is called what?
Ma'am, I
Yes, Vedant.
circumference.
Yes, circumference.
Hello, ma'am. I have a doubt in the revision worksheet.
You can ask later on, okay?
Ma'am,
Next.
it is of this chapter only.
I will ask no after this revision. Okay, next child, Niva. Riva, read
Yes,
the D1. D.
E1
D.
or the D. The diameter of a circle always passes through its center.
Very good. What is the spelling of center?
Center.
Okay, next child. Granth.
Yes, ma'am.
E.
The dash divide the dash divides the circle into the two equal parts. Semicircle.
Semicircle divide the circle. Semicircle बनता किससे है बच्चा?
Diameter.
So you will say the diameter divide the circle into two equal parts. Next is Raj. Anne, I will read the F for you. Maybe you will not able to see. The distance from the center of the circle to the boundary in any direction is called a dash of the circle.
The distance from the center of the
To any
circle.
point to the boundary of a circle.
What?
The distance from the center to any point on the boundary of a circle is called what? That distance.
Radius.
Yes, radius.
Hello,
These
ma'am.
are the
In this one only I have one doubt, and there is another doubt also. Ma'am, can I say it means fast? it is written what is the length of the boundary of a circle called. So it will become circumference, no?
Circumference.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have doubt in E1 that it can come radii and diameter. I have doubt. We
I
can,
don't know the E question. Please read the E question.
ma'am, in this video one.
Okay, that one then wait. Diameter. Diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, not the radius.
Ma'am, I am talking about radii.
Radii is the plural form of the radius. बहुत सारे radii. Two radii makes the diameter. So जब diameter will be the answer, not the radii. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because two radii can be from the center, one this side and one this side. One is not on the same line. Then it will not divide the circle. Na? Got it, Tej Kumar, my point?
Yes, ma'am.
What I am trying to explain you. If you are saying the radii or the diameter, you are confused. It is not always necessary that radii can be in a single line only. It can be in a one this way radii and one this. Then it is a two radius. Then it is not dividing a circle into two half.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is also a plural of the radius. No, two radius are there. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay, the next child will answer me this one. Is Suchi is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Suchi, a circle always has dash center.
1.
One. Very good. Next. Nishwa,
Yes, ma'am.
the line segment that join the center of the circle, the boundary.
The radius.
A line segment that join radius. Next. Rajvi Nakare.
Yes, ma'am.
C1. Read the C.
A circle is a dash figure.
A dash circle is a dash figure.
Closed.
Open, close, or
Closed.
open, curved.
Closed.
Closed. Yes. Next. Jiga Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
A circle is formed by dash lines. Straight, zigzag, or curved lines.
Ma'am, what?
One answer you have to give. A circle is formed by which type of line? Straight line, zigzag line, or a curved line?
Ma'am, what do you said? I didn't hear.
It's written here on the number D. Read it.
This D circle.
Ma'am, he cannot see the options. Straight, zigzag,
Straight,
and curved.
zigzag, and curved.
Ma'am, straight.
Curved lines. How can you draw a circle with a straight line? Got it? We draw the circle with a curved line. Next is Aradhya.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the diameter in this circle?
Ma'am, A to B.
Again, you children are using A to B, A and B. Say AB.
Okay. AB.
A?
B.
Together. A to B also you can use, but don't use A and B. A and B, if you use, then it will be the different thing. You can use it as AB. Next is Tej Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the chord in this?
DC.
BC is a chord.
DC.
हाँ BC कैसे हो सकता है बच्चा?
Ma'am, DC.
DC.
DC is a chord.
Ma'am, can I say next one?
Viva.
Yes.
What is the radius in this?
OX.
OX. Next is Moksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Moksh, another radius. Can you tell me in this?
Ma'am, OB.
OB. Okay. Vishruth, can you tell me another radius in this?
Ma'am, OX.
OX is already given. OB is given. And is there any other radius?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I say, ma'am, I know, ma'am, may I say?
Ma'am,
No, no.
OA.
OA. Yes.
Ma'am, I know.
I know everyone knows this. Now I will move to this. Divit. Divit, give the radius if the diameter is given. If the diameter is 9, what will be the radius?
Diameter is 9.
Diameter is 9. You need to find the radius. Uska आधा. What will be the radius?
Ma'am, give me 2 minutes cycle.
Okay. Next child, Moksh.
Yes, ma'am.
If the radius diameter is 9, what will be the radius?
Ma'am, the radius will be 4.5 centimeter.
Very good. Manya, if the diameter is 7, what will be the radius?
Ma'am, 4.5.
Okay.
Ma'am, 3.5.
Next child,
0.5
Vedant.
centimeter.
Vedant, if the diameter is 22, what will be the radius?
Diameter is 22. The radius will be
Ma'am, I can say.
ma'am,
Radius is half of the diameter.
ma'am 12.
Divide 22
Can
by
I-
2.
Ma'am 17.
It will be 11, bacha.
Yes, ma'am. Half
Niva.
of 20 and half of
Yes.
Niva.
yes.
If the diameter is 4.5, what will be the... No, sorry. If the radius is 4.5, what will be the diameter?
9.
Yes. Vihan,
Yes.
radius is 2. What will be the diameter?
Radius is 2, so the diameter will be
ये radius होता है, ये diameter होता है. Always
Okay, so
remember
the
radius, diameter.
4. The diameter
Ah.
will be 4.
4. If the
Ma'am, I
radius
can
is
say-
6.5, Ane, what will be the diameter?
What, ma'am?
Radius is 6.5. What will be the diameter?
6.1. 3.5.
Again, you are doing the half. Radius is 6.5. What will be the diameter?
3.
Double of the radius. Diameter is double.
Ma'am,
You have to add 6.5 to
diameter,
6.5.
not radius.
Radius
Ma'am,
is
13.
given with 6.5. Yes, 13.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Got it?
Raju Lala, take give the answer.
I know. Okay. Now I am going to give you the CET link in the chat box, as well as I'm going to post it in the classroom. Same way that you got the 2 questions in the revision work in the that you have to do it in the notebook. In the CET also, it is like that only. Last 2 questions you have to do it in the notebook and attach your work.
Ma'am, ma'am, I want to say something.
Please
Ma'am,
say.
you have sent the revision
Huh?
in the classroom.
Yes.
Ma'am, in that 2 answer I have drawn, but
You have
what
not
then?
attached.
Yes, I have
Attach
attached.
it.
So what I write? I don't know.
In that place, write done in notebook.
Okay, I have written drawn.
Okay, that also okay. Because until you will not write anything there, no, the Google form will not accept. तो कुछ ना कुछ उसमें लिख देना है.
Yes, ma'am. First time I never put it that. Then I completed it.
I posted in the classroom, as well as I'm giving you here the link also in the chat box. Please go to that link.
I have not posted in chat box.
It's there. Please come. Are you able to log into the Google form? Is there any child who is not able to? Yes, Vedant. Any query? Any child, any query? Ask. And please let me know as soon as possible if you're not able to log in.
Capital.
I'm going to check it manually. You can write it anyway. turn on your camera, everyone. If you don't have such problem of switching off the camera,
Ma'am,
please turn on camera.
we have to write in capital or small.
Just now one child has asked. I will not give the same answers again and again if you do this. Listen it in a one time. You have to write in any way because I am going to check it.
Hello, ma'am. In the last question, we have to draw it in the notebook or in the revision notebook.
Any notebook. Either in the revision or class notebook, but please attach your work.
Okay, ma'am.
And please do the write there, done. Something you have to write there, otherwise it will not accept your Google form.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write done, no?
Anything.
And we have to write in small letter or capital letter.
I will not give this answer, sorry, Suchi. I've already given this answer to 2 students. You have to listen that time. I'm going to check it manually. Suchi, are you listening me? Turn on your camera, please.
Renu, ma'am.
Wait a minute, Jigar Singh. Suchi, turn on your camera. This is last time I'm giving you answer of this, students. You can write in any letter, whether small or capital. I am going to check it manually. It will accept your everything, whether capital or small. Yes, Jigar Singh, ask.
I was
Jigar Singh, please
that
ask.
only.
Again, you're asking. This is the 4th child who's asking the same thing. Again, I'm telling you last 2 questions. Do it in the notebook, attach your work, and there in the form write done.
We have to write in capital or capital we have to write, no?
My dear, you are the 4th student, 5th student asking the same thing. Where were you when I was explaining?
Doing the CAT, that's why.
In the CET, when you open the CET, you're not able to listen. सुनाई देना बंद हो जाता बच्चा when you go to the Google form. Write it anyway, the capital or the small, I will accept it. Nishwa, are you getting me? Write it either small or either capital, I will check it manually.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, I was asking that we will get our scores now or you
No.
will tell us.
No, I will tell you after checking. I request all the students to do the CET by their own, not to take the help from anyone, please. And turn on your camera. Because I can see many cameras are off. Please, if you don't have such problem of switching off the camera, please turn on your camera and sit in the class.
Ma'am.
Yes.
In the last session, I have to do in the notebook. I'm writing. It is not letting me submit until I write. So I'm writing just centimeter. What is there? That's okay.
You have to something right there.
Okay,
Then
I
only
will
it
write
will
a
submit.
centimeter of that.
Read both the class questions carefully because one is draw a circle with a given radius. Second is draw a circle with a given diameter.
Ma'am, in the last you sent the one worksheet.
Same way I am sending.
Every question was almost same.
That was the practice of yours. Bhavya Sagar, I can see you are talking with someone. You are not doing your work.
Ma'am, I am done.
Done?
Yes.
Let me see.
Ma'am, but I have not submitted. I am checking.
Yes, please check it fast. I can see Vedant and Manya too have submitted. Vedant, in the question, one of the question you have written rectangle. हमने rectangle के बारे में तो पढ़ा ही नहीं है.
No,
और
ma'am.
exact-
What you were talking about, ma'am? I was
Yeah.
confused. Ma'am, I was confused what the question was about.
simple closed curve is a rectangle.
No,
You have written rectangle in that.
sorry, ma'am.
What sorry? पूरा chapter हमने पढ़ लिया. Then also you are not clear with this.
And that it is not rectangle. It is something else. I know, ma'am, but I now written that so.
Kevian, this is the reason I can check your answers because you are not coming in the class regularly. You are not answering in the class. That's why you will see your marks. He left. This is the only reason he gets. Yes.
Ma'am,
In the last two blanks, we can write anything.
Yes.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
write either the centimeter answer or write done in notebook.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am. The last two answer we have to draw in a notebook and send you.
Yes.
Okay,
You
now I
will-
can submit.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
You yesterday also you sent the same worksheet for revision. In that I also sent the photo of the circle. So today also we have to send it.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
yesterday, if you see the circle, different measurement.
Ma'am, your voice
That
is
was the
cracking.
revision.
Ma'am,
Wait.
Can you say it again?
I don't submit that circle. I have to make in notebook now because I was in laptop now. I'm in laptop.
Yes.
So I will show you now.
Okay. Google form. First submit the Google form and then attach your notebook work. And in that blank, write done in notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
Manya.
ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
I have
You said to
done.
me
Mark
that
has done.
Okay, Mark is done. Okay, yes. Tell me, Manya.
yes, ma'am. What did you said that when I was asking, your voice was cracking.
I was saying that yesterday was the revision worksheet. In that, if you see the centimeters and the meters of radius is different. Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
So that was the revision practice. This is the CET. That is why you have
Okay.
to send it again.
Ma'am, there was only two questions different than that. Only two questions. So then all the questions were in that only.
The language is same, but you can see the digits will be different. If I ask for finding the radius, if I ask for finding the diameter, if I ask for drawing a circle, you can see the numbers are different. In maths
Ma'am.
only, what happened?
What if I'm not able to do CT?
Okay, I will not talk.
Ma'am, I'm not able to do CT, so I will do the transfer
Why not able to do, Vishruth?
because there's a network issue in my side. It is not. It's an internet issue, and all of us are just connecting the voice only.
My voice is not, I'm not teaching today anything. You just see if you're able to submit the Google form.
Ma'am, when we have to send this making when we make the circle in the notebook?
I have attached the Google form in the classroom.
Oh, you have attached.
There you have to attach your work.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, there's
Ma'am. You said that NN01 in GCT, so we have to write how many I have done radius, so how many centimeter I have done radius.
That answer also you can write there.
No, ma'am. I
Then
have submit. I have made circle and I have drawn radius also. So there is how many centimeter radius it is, so I can write or not. I have to.
yes, you can write.
Okay.
In the last two questions, no?
Yes.
I'm not able to open
Let
my
me see
CT
how many.
again. So, ma'am, we have to draw the diameter and the radius of which centimeter, ma'am?
I'll tell you. One is draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters.
the marks.
Who is this child?
Ma'am, Bhavya.
In the beginning only I tell I will check it manually and then I will send you the mark. There are 20 students and 20 students will ask the same thing.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Yeah, due to some network issue, no problem. Wait a
Ma'am,
minute.
now is not cracking your voice.
Hello, ma'am, what is the D1 saying diameter is what times of radius? Means it is saying that diameter is that times of radius.
Diameter जो है वो radius का कितना times है?
Okay, ma'am.
We do multiplication in the times, no?
Ma'am,
Yes, Aradhya.
ma'am, I'm confused in G1. G.
Let me see. The longest chord of the circle is called. My dear, I have repeated many times. I cannot explain you right now. Longest chord is what? It's very simple CET today.
Yes, ma'am, it is very simple.
Even the chapter is also too simple, too easy. But if you understand it practically, you can do it.
Ma'am.
Wonders.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we score in the other division, it will be full. It will be okay only because most of the questions are there only from it.
If you have done the last revision.
I have done, ma'am. I have done. I got full mark.
full
Ma'am,
mark.
what we have
How
to
I
do
am
the
not
left.
that.
I also got it.
Yes, you have not said there. It is only edit score. One time I forgot to do that circle, so I go and edit score and then this circle I
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Neva.
The last two questions are what we have to write in the answer.
Done in
Ma'am,
notebook.
I showed my
Rehan, someone is asking something. Mute yourself. Neva, mute. I will give you the answer. Mute. Done in notebook.
What, ma'am?
Done in notebook.
Ma'am, I have only written done.
Ma'am, I have written the centimeters.
Okay.
Ma'am, now also I'm confused.
Why you are confused? The longest chord is what? Why you are confused, Aradhya? If you have attended my classes, if you have attended the revision, I will not tell the answer. This is the direct question asked from you. Which is the longest chord? So you have to give the answer. If you know the answer, right. Otherwise, leave. Kevian, turn on your camera. I want to talk to you. Don't leave the class. Leaving class is not the solution, Kevian. Please turn on your camera. Kevian, when I will check your answers, then you will see your marks because I have already checked your few of the questions. You know why this is happening? This is because you are not attending my class regularly and not responding also in the class. That is the reason. Got it, Kevian? When I will check the CET, you please check your marks. Okay? And please check.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Ma'am, you have checked mine.
No, I'm not going to check right now. Once I will check, I will put it in the classroom. And it will be checked after the class. Done, Anne?
Ma'am, see, we can
show
send
me.
this.
Anne,
I can.
your first, you can send this, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Anne,
But
your
yes, ma'am.
okay, I don't want to tell right now. You please send your work.
Ma'am, what happened?
Nothing. You please attach your work. I will comment it there. Not right now. One minute is left. Please, those who have not completed, they please complete and send. वेदांत, मान्या, ग्रंथ, केव्यान, राजवी निखारे, अनय, वीवा, निश्वा, तेज कुमार, राजवी लाहोटी, भव्य, विहान दोबड़िया, सूची माली, ध्यान पटेल, मोक्षा, आराध्य, नीवा. These students have submitted their work. I am requesting to the other students also to submit their work, please.
Ma'am, we can leave.
No, still 1 minute is there.
Ma'am, 1 minute is finished.
Yeah, I know. Anna, I request to please stable your camera. Okay, students, thank you. Please leave. On Monday, we will, on Tuesday, we will start the new chapter. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye, madam.
Bye bye.